Welcome friends, it's a beautiful day here at the Homestead Air Reserve Base. Today we're going to enjoy the Wings Over Homestead Air Show. It is April 1st, 2023, and it's going to be a beautiful, exciting day. Let's do this. So I'm currently located in the preferred seating area. Hopefully you can hear me because there is a lot of noise. There's music going on, lots of guests here. This event is free admission and preferred seating is at a cost per person. It's considered premium VIP seating, but it brings its benefits. There's a tent where there's an area you can have some shade because it will be getting hot today and we need to stay hydrated and with lots of sunscreen on. We've got designated seats so you don't have to bring your own seating. And we also have food and porta potties just for this area, so with hand sanitizer and everything. So this is a great setup for those that want to get away from the big crowds. There are thousands of people here today. And yeah, we're gonna see some planes flying in the air, some trucks, and a lot more in this event. Super excited, can't wait.
Check it out, get in the cockpit, take some pictures, have some fun.
See a Butte Clark.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor!
Homestead Air Reserve Base Air Show. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. I enjoyed making it for you. If you want to go ahead and check out my other videos of local Miami events and also Orlando, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Local Miami Gal. Thanks, and stay tropical.